Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Traverse is equipped with a power sunroof and the power sunroof is not working. This video will apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. The power sunroof fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the passenger side right here. Now to lift the cover, you'll have a couple of black tabs to push, one here on the top and one here on the side. You would just want to press onto each of them and lift up. And on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. The power sunroof fuse is located in the middle of the fuse box right here, and it's a 30 amp fuse. Now if this fuse is good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper and start looking towards power sunroof switch, possible wiring issue or a failed motor. But first things first, always make sure that this fuse is not burned out. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.